Watch as our engineer at Old Thomas Tools demonstrates how the revolutionary, durable, and versatile jack clamp can even be assembled to both clamp and spread at the same time.
This is one of the coolest features of the jack clamp is our dual clamp configuration. Since we can remove all the bars from our clamp, we can combine two clamps together. So the first one, I will take the bottom bar out, set it aside. Second clamp, we'll remove the top bar, put the bottom bar in. So we have a clamp on this side. Then I'm going to pick up the second clamp, turn it around backwards, and slide it onto the bar of the first clamp. In this position, we now have a clamp and a spreader in the same tool. What this allows you to do is clamp the tool to your work. Now the tool will hold itself up while you work on the other side. If you have to install drawer slides or shelf supports, you don't have to hold the tool while you're working. The clamp does all the work. Another really neat feature of the jack clamp is you can clamp around corners. We had a customer come in and tell us that he needed to glue on a piece on a solid surface countertop on the end of the countertop. He had no way of gluing that there and holding it in place. So we take our first clamp, put a spacer underneath the jaw, clamp that tight, take our second clamp, remove both bars, slide the bottom bar in underneath the first jaw, put your second clamp on like this, and now you're clamping your piece around the corner against this jaw here.
The revolutionary, versatile, durable, and affordable jack clamp. The tool your toolbox cannot do without.